Wealthfront is a popular robo-advisor that offers automated investment management services to individuals. To get started with Wealthfront investing, first visit their website and sign up for an account by providing basic information such as your name, email address, and password. Once you have created your account, you will be asked to provide some personal and financial information, including your investment goals, risk tolerance, and financial situation. This information will help Wealthfront determine the best investment strategy for you. Next, you will need to fund your account by linking a bank account or transferring funds from an existing investment account. Wealthfront requires a minimum investment of $500 to get started. After your account is funded, Wealthfront will create a diversified investment portfolio based on your individual needs and goals. The portfolio will be composed of low-cost index funds and exchange-traded funds, and will be regularly rebalanced to ensure that it remains aligned with your investment objectives. Wealthfront also offers a range of features, including tax loss harvesting, which helps to minimize your tax liability by offsetting gains from successful investments with losses from less successful ones. They also offer financial planning tools, which can help you create a personalized plan for achieving your long-term financial goals. To get the most out of Wealthfront, it is a good idea to take advantage of their financial planning tools and to regularly review and update your investment portfolio. You should also consider setting up automatic deposits to your account, which can help you invest a fixed amount of money on a regular basis and take advantage of dollar cost averaging. Overall, Wealthfront is a low-cost and convenient way to invest in the stock market, and can be a good option for individuals who are new to investing or who want to simplify their investment strategy. By following these steps and taking advantage of the features and tools that Wealthfront offers, you can create a diversified investment portfolio and achieve your long-term financial goals.